Bad fuel pump symptoms. The car will not start. While there could be many reasons why your car won't start, a bad fuel pump could be one of them. If the fuel pump is unable to deliver fuel to the engine, the car will not start. There are two places to inspect before deciding to replace the fuel pump. One of them is the fuel pump fuse, which is a 15 amp blue fuse, and the other one is the fuel pump relay. The location varies from car to car, but usually they are located in the fuse box. Engine sputtering. If your engine sputters or jerks during high speeds, this could be a sign of an inconsistent flow of fuel to the engine, which is often caused by a failing fuel pump. Power loss. A faulty fuel pump may cause your vehicle to lose power while accelerating. This is due to the inability of fuel pump to keep up with the demands of the engine at higher speed. Noise in the fuel tank. An unusually loud whining noise come from the fuel tank is another sign of a bad fuel pump. The noise often gets louder as the fuel pump works harder to deliver fuel. Poor fuel efficiency. If you notice that your vehicle's fuel efficiency has decreased significantly, this could be a sign of a failing fuel pump. When the fuel pump is not working properly, it may consume more power, resulting in decreased fuel efficiency. Stalling at high temperatures. A bad fuel pump may cause your vehicle to stall when it gets hot. This happens because a faulty pump might struggle to supply enough fuel to the engine under high temperature conditions. Vehicle surge. Another symptom of a bad fuel pump is when your vehicle surges forward for no apparent reason. This happens when the pump occasionally delivers too much fuel, causing the car to surge forward and then slow down. Acceleration issues. If you experience problems with your vehicle's acceleration, this could be due to a failing fuel pump. When the fuel pump is unable to deliver the necessary amount of fuel, the vehicle may struggle to accelerate as it should do. High temperature. One of the first signs of a failing fuel pump is an increase in the engine's temperature. If your vehicle's temperature gauge shows higher than normal readings regularly, it might indicate a problem with the fuel pump. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.